Hello, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today, I would like to show you how to verify YouTube account from PC. Firstly, you Google Chrome. After that, you just go to your YouTube account. Then, if you can see here, wait for a second. Okay, if you can see here, the green one, then you go to your channel. After that, this is my new YouTube account. Then you go to the YouTube Studio. After you go to the YouTube Studio, then you will see here in the left side. Then you go to the setting. Okay, in the setting, okay, you select channel. Next, okay. Okay. You select channel. Then you see this feature eligibility. You see this feature that require phone verification. So you just click the arrow down. Then you see this verify phone number. Then you click. After that, you need to select your country. After you select your country, for my is Malaysia, then text me the verification code. Then okay, then you put submit. Okay, after you submit, this will pop up. Enter your 6 digit. Then I will enter my 6 digit. Then submit. Okay, as you can see here, it stated that congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Then you go back here. You see this verify phone number. So that's all how to verify your YouTube account. If you like this kind of content, please give me a like, share to your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pido Gaming. Then you can comment down here in the comment section which tutorial that you want me to do. Okay, thank you. That's all.